execution. It contains the general data of how the process is executed. Mode. Here we can see the current mode of the process. Maximum number of loop recurrences. The system allows us to indicate a maximum number of loops. The administrator will be warned if this number is exceeded. By default, it is configured so it warns us after 1000 loops. Secure room. It allows us to limit the monitoring permissions and execution priority. If it were the case that the process motor has several processes to execute, it would always manage the one with a higher priority before. The default value is 0, 0, 0, the one that appears if we don't define any priorities. For example, if you create 100 processes of different classes of processes, they will be managed according to the process start date. If it is defined, the larger the number, the higher the priority. For example, if you create 100 processes of different classes, they will be managed from higher to lower. Let's see it now in execution. So, to monitor the loops is very useful, as it helps us to control when a process has been configured wrongly. For example, if a condition is never met, it could be left there in a loop. Another time when this control will be quite handy is when we have a loop in a class of processes and we want to set up a maximum time to perform that. Okay, so for example, in here, request a reprocess. Okay, we have the possibility to send it back so it is reprocessed or processed again. Okay, let's imagine that in a process it has been reprocessed already 50 times and we want to control this. Okay, then is when the option number of maximum recurrences, okay, comes in handy. Now you have seen this, it's your turn to do part 1 and 2.